Welcome to Pro Bet Strategy. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting aspects of sports betting, live betting. Also known as in-play betting, live betting lets you place wagers while the game is happening, giving you the chance to adjust your strategy and capitalize on opportunities in real time. Let's get started. What is live betting? Live betting is exactly what it sounds like, placing bets on a game while it's in progress. Unlike traditional betting, where all your decisions are made before the game begins, live betting allows you to react to what's happening on the field, court, or pitch. Why is live betting popular? The appeal of live betting is simple. It's fast-paced and allows for real-time decision-making. You can take advantage of shifting odds, momentum changes, or new developments like injuries or weather conditions. It's a dynamic way to stay engaged with the game while having more opportunities to win. Top strategies for live betting. 1. Watch the game closely. To succeed at live betting, you need to stay focused on the action. Watching the game gives you insights that might not be reflected in the odds right away. For example, if a team looks strong despite being the underdog, you might find value in betting on them before the odds adjust. 2. Understand momentum shifts. In live betting, momentum is everything. A single play, like a goal, a turnover, or a big defensive stop, can shift the direction of a game. Pay attention to these shifts and use them to guide your bets. 3. Look for value in underdogs. Live betting often presents opportunities to back an underdog at favorable odds, especially if they're performing better than expected. If a favorite starts slow or the underdog builds early momentum, the odds might swing in your favor. 4. Avoid emotional betting. The fast-paced nature of live betting can lead to impulsive decisions. Stay disciplined and stick to your strategy. Don't chase losses or place bets just because the odds seem appealing. Take a moment to analyze before clicking that "Place Bet" button. 5. Use cash-out options wisely. Many sportsbooks offer a cash-out option during live betting, letting you settle a bet early. This can be a great way to lock in profits or minimize losses, but use it strategically. Don't cash out too soon unless it aligns with your strategy. Common mistakes to avoid in live betting. Don't bet on games you aren't watching. You'll miss key moments that could impact your decisions. Avoid betting on every play or moment. Quality bets always beat quantity. Don't overestimate your knowledge of the game. Unexpected events can happen, so always manage your bankroll carefully. Conclusion. Live betting is an exciting and dynamic way to bet, but it requires focus, discipline, and strategy. By watching the game closely, understanding momentum, and avoiding emotional decisions, you can make smarter bets and increase your chances of success. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Pro Bet Strategy, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest betting strategies.